Hey guys, welcome back.
Tonight we're showing you a luxury cruise horror film we created with OpenArt and Seedance 2, and the shots get crazier every second.
We'll break down exactly how we made it, the prompts, the tools, and the scenes. So let's dive in.
Okay guys, let's break down the process. The first step was building the idea and structuring the story in a way AI video can actually handle well. Instead of trying to generate one giant movie in a single prompt, we planned the whole thing in ChatGPT and split it into short 15-second chunks, because Seedance 2 has a 15-second limit per generation. But that is where it gets really powerful, because even with that limit, Seedance 2 can handle full, multi-shot cinematic sequences inside those 15 seconds. So rather than making one static shot, we designed each section like a mini-scene with its own camera movement, action, tension, and pacing. Then, inside each 15-second block, we broke the action down even more into little 3 to 5 second beats. So for example, first the luxury ship glides through the dark ocean at night. Then we cut inside to the ultra-rich gala dinner. Then we show the annoying vlogger filming everything. Then the arrogant musician reacts. Then the uneasy crewman senses something is wrong. That structure makes prompting much cleaner and gives the model a much better chance of delivering controlled cinematic results. In short, the story is this. A young vlogger named Lara is filming a ridiculously luxurious dinner party aboard a giant cruise ship. A rich, arrogant musician named Romain is already annoyed by her presence. Then something massive from the deep hits the ship. It starts breaking apart Titanic-style. Panic erupts, evacuation fails, the lifeboats are gone, the ship sinks into darkness, and the survivors realize something terrifying is still out there in the water. Once the story structure was ready, we moved into OpenArt and created our two main characters. First was Lara, the young streamer vlogger, energetic, modern, always filming, always in the middle of the chaos. Then Romain, the rich older musician, elegant, arrogant, judgmental, the kind of guy you instantly dislike the moment he opens his mouth. Defining those characters early helped keep the movie consistent, especially across multiple scenes. After that, we started feeding OpenArt our scenes one by one and generating them using the Seedance 2 model. This is where the workflow gets really fun, because each prompt was not just describing a picture, it was describing an actual cinematic sequence. We wrote the environment, the mood, the lighting, the camera framing, the character actions, and the progression of each shot inside the 15-second scene. We repeated that process scene after scene. The gala dinner, the first impact, the bridge panic, the evacuation, the missing lifeboats, the ship splitting apart, the final darkness. Each section was generated separately, which gave us much more control and let us refine the movie like real production pieces instead of gambling on one giant prompt. Then, once we had the results, we brought everything into Premiere Pro and connected the dots manually. AI gives you the raw cinematic moments, but editing is what turns them into a real short film. We chose the best takes, arranged the scenes, tightened the pacing, matched the tension, added sound design, and shaped the final flow ourselves, so the whole thing felt like one escalating horror sequence. And if you want even more polish, you can also use OpenArt upscaling tools afterward to push the footage to higher quality when needed, which is great if you want the final output to look sharper and more premium. So that is the full workflow. Start with the idea, break it into 15-second chunks, split each chunk into smaller cinematic beats, build your characters in OpenArt, generate every scene with Seedance 2, and then stitch it all together in Premiere Pro for the final movie. And now, here is the final result. Let us know what you think, and don't forget to try Seedance 2 in OpenArt. It's currently 60% off and unlimited for Wonder Plan users, so don't miss out.
How monstrously vulgar, utterly preposterous.
There is something not right, I feel it.
stations. Abandon ship.
I repeat, this is not a drill!
All stations. Abandon ship.
Not this time, Jack.
Ah!